everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Study with Soumya. Make sure to subscribe this channel if you haven't subscribed till now, because this channel is definitely going to be helpful for you. So make sure to subscribe. Also, do join us at our Telegram channel so that we can sort out your doubts or queries. So make sure to join. The link for the Telegram channel is provided in the description itself. So make sure to join. Well, in this video, we are going to discuss about some wonderful opportunities for all of you. So to know more about the opportunities, make sure to watch the complete video. Without wasting any time, let's get started. So the first opportunity that we are having, it is from Virtuasa. You can see they have clearly specified that this opportunity is for 2020 or earlier batch, that is 2021 isn't eligible for this particular opportunity. Right? So here what you have to do is you have to fill this form. You have to give your full name here, email ID, contact number, college name, and you have to select the degree as well. You have to choose the stream, standing arrears. So if you are having any, accordingly choose the option, and then you have to mention your current location just in one word, like it's Delhi they have mentioned, right? So are you already technology trained? So if you are, then you can select yes, but only for a short duration as part of campus, or no. Accordingly, you can select. Next, they are saying if yes, then which technology you have been trained. So you have to specify that as well. And if you haven't been trained, then you can simply just mention that none. This is what you can mention here. And do you have any of the certification? So some options they have given regarding certification, like as OCJA, BrainBench.net, AWS, GCP, Pega, and so if you are having any sort of certification like this or any other certification, so you can mention in this other field, right? So this is how it is. And year of passing they have mentioned, although they have given 2021 here in the option, but in the starting itself they have clearly specified that this opportunity is for 2020 and the earlier batches, not for 2021. So accordingly you can choose that whether you are from 2020, 2019, 2080 or earlier, right? And then you have to just submit this form. Okay, so this is the wonderful opportunity for all of you guys. So make sure to apply. The link of this form is provided in the description itself, right? Next opportunity that we are having is from Giga Mall. So they are basically hiring software engineer intern on the contract basis. And Giga Mall is looking for bright and enthusiastic computer science or related students. So like they have not clearly specified branch. So even electrical, electronics, and so can apply. And graduates passionate about networking and network security. You will join an experienced and quality-driven engineering team, learn and make meaningful contributions. So just go through it once. Let's quickly discuss about the requirements. So about the requirements, they have mentioned BE BTech in 2020 pass out, completed coursework in operating system, computer architecture, networking, object-oriented design, data structure, and algorithms. Good familiarity with networking fundamentals, that is routing, switching, network security tools. Love of playing with networking gear, patience in reading user manuals of networking products, ability to use user manuals and other documents to set up specific network configuration, and experience in one of the following languages, that is C, C++, Java, and other scripting languages like as Python. So if you are meeting even some of the requirements, I would recommend you to apply for this particular opportunity. And here it is clearly mentioned that this opportunity is for 2020 batch only. So only 2020 batch can apply. Well, do apply for these amazing opportunity, guys. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you for supporting us. Keep learning, keep growing. Bye-bye.